Do. I was inactive for 2 weeks. What's wrong with you? Guzzo? Raven's not giving me any money to like promote something. It's just like the love for the products that I have. Bismillah. Okay. I need some coffee. Just let me know, guys, how are you all doing? Ooh, we haven't talked yet. Guys, you can see we have changed our mirrors. Only reason is, in the previous video you might have seen that. Okay, without helmet. Okay, in the previous video you have seen that my Insta360 was mounted on my stock helmet, sorry, stock mirrors. Why the guy was coming from that side? Yeah, my Insta360 was mounted to my stock mirrors, but it was doing no job, and it was kind of like looking ugly. Back to stealth mirrors, and I'm completely loving it, guys. It's super amazing, super fabulous, delicious, gorgeous. In the previous video I couldn't really show you exactly what Raven's new glove looks like. The new gloves from Raven. You can see. Okay, so these gloves are OMEN 2.0. Pretty much amazing, right? And oh, my balaclava is coming down. I'm so sick. Okay, these gloves are from Raven Moto, and this is OMEN 2.0, like the upgraded version of my previous OMEN you might have seen on my videos. By far the most comfortable and safest motorcycle gloves on the market. Raven is like doing amazing job, for real. Hey, damn, that's nuts. The jacket that I'm wearing right now is Ghost Armor jacket. It's obviously from Raven. I love Raven for I have been using Raven for like 3 years. Yeah, 3 years. And I'm completely like being honest with you guys, because I would promote something that I have used, I have seen or something, but not the things that I haven't used yet or seen yet in real life. So what's wrong is people just promote things they haven't seen or used before just for the sake of money. Raven's not giving me any money to like promote something. It's just like the love for the products that I have. Just ignore this thing over here. I just really wanted this view for my Instagram reels, but it's totally cool right now, and I'm still making videos because I love making videos. Let's just go a little faster. I'm completely being honest with you. Whatever I have used, they have gone too far. From making noir, making dark storms, making previous omens, to like making Karma, Claw, Envy, and Omen 2, Rogue 2, Storm 2, everything, guys, everything. They have gone too far in terms of protection, quality, and other stuff. Oh, that was quicker. You sure? Yes. Woohoo. These electric vehicles are just no offense. Oh, let's go, baby. I'm gonna be stopping here to show you guys what I meant. I might be stopping here. Dang, why is this thing is so straight? Hey, come to neutral, movie. Booby? What's booby? It's baby. Hey, you know what I mean. Stay here. This is the OMEN 2.0. Yee. This is what I was talking about, guys. It's completely alright now. Right now. And this is the glove. You can see it has palm protector, side protector, knuckles. Even this thing has airflow as well to keep you cool on a summer day. Raven everywhere. So this is the new glove from Raven. Okay, you can see this has the lock system as well, and the chain, the same goes around the chain. Okay. Alright, puppy. Ooh, sheesh. You can see this has cablers here on the side and on the back I'll show you guys. And over here, this side, it has chain system as well to keep you cool. This has side pockets as well, and this is here, and on the back it got chain as well, which I haven't yet opened, and I'll do it right now. Let me just keep the glove right here. It might just fall off. Okay, you can see, guys, what I meant. This is the chain, the Raven branding everywhere. This got protection here, and this is what I was telling you guys. This is looking cool. Yeah, this is looking cool. Completely cool. Hey, what was that? Hey, just go away, dude. Yeah, you can see this is the new riding jacket from Raven. I'm being late today. I mean, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just doing my stuff today. I have work, but just stay a bit cool. Stay for a while. I'm just moving from here. Where do you wanna go? हाँ जी, हाँ? आ जाओ. थोड़ा पैर ऊपर रख लीजिए. पैर ऊपर रख लीजिए. ओके. कुछ नहीं होगा, पकड़ के बैठ जाओ. So guys, we have given a lift. हाँ जी. Guys, you know what's missing? This is. Who's calling me? Let me see. You can see this guy is like really not wearing the helmet. I mean, he was wearing the helmet, but he really took it off. No way, I'm not gonna take the turn because my tires are wet. You know what, something else is wet? You completely. What is the speed right now? Okay, 35. Fair. So restless, guys. I need to sleep. I need to sleep. I need to sleep. Bob the Builder wants to sleep. What's wrong with you? घुस जाओ. आ जाओ इधर. ब्रेक नहीं लगा. हाँ कोई इशू नहीं. chill chill. We have 29 minutes left. She's nothing like a girl you ever seen before. Nothing you can compare to your neighbor. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl.